Welcome to the Accelevents Text to Give overview. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly set up and activate your Text to Give campaign so that you can start accepting mobile donations. To start, we'll select the Text to Give option in our setup. We'll then adjust our event name, our web page URL, as well as the location of our initiative. For most Text to Give campaigns, you may not have a location, so you can click the online only event. You may still want your own web page here, as you can also accept online donations. In our next page, you can customize your donation page. This could include any logos or banners that you have. These will update on the right as you change any of the descriptions or items here. The full rendering of your page will update as well. Here is a great place to add any headlines, descriptions of your cause, or even change the branding or colors of this page. Everything will update, and again, you can see those changes on the right in real time. Once you're done here, you'll progress to our Event Manager console, where you can continue setting up your Text to Give. The first thing you may want to do is submit a demo bid. This will also activate your event phone number, or the phone number for your Text to Give. When we click on this button, we'll be asked to submit our cell phone number, at which point we'll receive a text message with instructions on how to submit our demo text message. Right now, I am responding to the text I received to submit my donation, and I will show you what that looks like in a second. Once I submit my Text to Give donation, I will actually be asked to enter my credit card information to complete that donation, at which point my donation will be complete. So I'll enter that information, and then at any point on your end, you'll be able to see the donation activity for your Text to Give in the activity section of your page. Finally, we'll set up credit card processing for our Text to Give. Credit card processing is important because this is how your guests or your donors will actually pay for their donations. You'll see on this page we have two options. We work with two credit card processors, Stripe and Square. We have full directions and instructions on how to set up either of those in our Help Center to get you started. Finally, you'll activate your Text to Give campaign. To do so, simply click the Activate button, select Text to Give, Activate and Pay, and then you'll enter your credit card information. Once you enter that information, your Text to Give will be activated and you can start accepting donations.